Okay, so far my geography quiz has got some problems in it. When you click on this, it asks you what's the capital of Mali, but the correct answer is always the last one. I picked 3 at random, and I picked the last one to be the correct one. And that's fine, but really with multiple choice, you should always order your responses. So they should always be in alphabetical order. So if I've got a list of 4 items, one of which I know is correct and they're random, then putting them in alphabetical order will shuffle them around, so the correct answer will be pretty random, in a pretty random position. So what I want to do is to get a list of these 4 strings and put them in a list and sort that list and then construct the buttons from them. Okay, so it's getting a little bit more complicated. What I want to do is not create the buttons on the fly. So this is my loop here. This is the loop that creates 3 random countries, and I don't want to directly add these countries in. What I want to do is to add them to a list. So I'm going to make up a list, and that'll be the list of distractors of our DL for distractor list. So that starts out as an empty list, and every time around, instead of constructing a button, I'm going to add, and that's push. So add to that list, stick at the end, the capital. All right, so I just put the capital in there, and I'm not going to create the button. I'm going to comment that code out because I will need something like that a little bit later. And here, when I've done that, I'm also going to add to the end of that list the correct answer. Dot push, the correct answer being this guy here. Okay, and I'll delete that line because I've already got something very much like that. So that's constructed my list, and there's a really lovely function in JavaScript called sort, and you can give that an array and it'll sort it into alphabetical order by default. So having sorted my list, I now want to add 4 buttons, 1 for each. Okay, so for var I equals 0, I know the list is of size 4, but still I'm going to go for dl.length in case I change my mind. Okay, so that's running over the list of my distractors, and in each case what I want to do is basically this. So I want to put in a button that does the thing I want, only it is not DLI capital, it is DLI. So that's the text that I put in. That's got to work. It'll put the buttons in alphabetical order. Write that and reload. Okay, these look like they're in alphabetical order. Capital of North Korea is Pyongyang. That says well done. Next question. Capital of Switzerland, that's Bern. I thought it was, oh well, I'm sure it's Bern. Okay, and next question. Okay, capital of Niger, no idea. Okay, let's just check that I can get it wrong as well. Dominican, let's find one I know. Switzerland, but we know that's Bern, so let's try Bangkok. And it says nothing. I could put in an else here. Kind of tempted to. Nah, I'll just let people keep clicking until they get it right. Okay, I've got the quiz working. This is pretty much it. Definitely time to celebrate with a commit. Where's my commit? Okay, this time we have buttons in random order. No, buttons in alpha order. Okay, everything's working. And git push. Perfect. Okay. In the next video, we will do a bit of styling and perhaps prevent the user from having to click on next question at the end.